Welcome. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're a subby, welcome back. Tavia Denise, y'all already know. Excuse my hair, I'm getting it braided in the morning or whatever. But today, I was showing y'all that I was gonna do my own lashes. These the lashes I got. I got 30D and 40D. Then it come with these tweezers. Then it come with the lash glue and seal, whatever, bond and seal. So I just feel like I ain't got time to keep I just said I ain't got time to keep booking appointments for lashes and shit. I just ain't got time. I got a busy schedule. And yeah, so I just wanted to do it myself. And I was gonna take y'all along with me so I can do it. Well, so I can show y'all that I can do it. You know, cause every time I put my mind to something, I can do it. They call me the jack of all trades, literally. But yeah, so continue watching cause we finna get these lashes done. Let's start with So this is what I did so far. So I'm gonna get some more bun and I'm gonna put it on my eyes. So I just used 16 millimeters or whatever. And so now I'm gonna go to the 15s to make it kind of like, you know, cat eye, whatever. So it won't be so clumpy on my eyes. And so I'm gonna do it on the other eye too so y'all can get a good look of it. But I'm gonna try to finish this eye off camera. Well, just the start of it, or whatever. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got done with the first layer or whatever. So we're gonna double it because you know I like a full look. And I'm gonna try to see if it gives me like a wispy look because I used the 40D or whatever. I used 40D, so I'm gonna use the 30D and see how it look, you know. I'm trying to go for like a wispy look, but I know with these type of lashes it ain't gonna be too wispy, but it don't hurt to give it a try because you know we just trying it out, like I said. Cause yeah. So I'm gonna try the 30D off camera and I'm gonna see how it is because baby I can't I'm gonna be cross-eyed trying to look over at the mirror and look at y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna do it off camera and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all. And then I'm gonna do this eye on camera so y'all can see what I did. But yeah. Okay, so I didn't finish putting on this eye right here. And so this how I like it. Like my lashes stick to like this. Okay, so anyway, so after that, we're gonna use the seal. Use this side right here. I'm gonna seal it. So y'all, it's just, I'm gonna see how fast I can go on the other side because yeah. So I'm just gonna seal it. I'm just gonna let that dry or whatever. And so once I let this dry, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all my eye. Then I'm gonna show y'all how I do this eye on camera. See, so these more like a D-curl though. So I had D-curls before and I actually like them. It's just something different because I always use a C-curl or whatever. They be real cute, but I got D-curl because they cuter. I mean, well, I love cute, but you know, your girl gotta do what your girl gotta do. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry down and come back or whatever. And don't talk about my hair because yo, shrinkage boo. Shrinkage. Don't play shrinkage. But yeah, I'm gonna come back. Okay, now, so we're back. Okay, so like I said at first, use the bonding. Use the bond side. What's upside down? Use the bond side first. So the bond is like the glue or whatever for the lashes. So you're just gonna apply them first. So I'm gonna do sectional by sectional. And your girl thought she didn't have no lashes. Oh my god, I got lashes. Y'all see that? Y'all see them lashes? Stop play. Do not play with me, okay? So, like I did on the other side, I'm gonna use 40, use the 40D. I'm gonna use 16. The last time I'm gonna use 16, 15. Well, I'm gonna use all of them, but it come 8 through 16. So, I only use 10 through 16 because I have little eyelids or whatever. So, I'm gonna get my lash. Hold on, y'all. Difficulties. Okay, I'm gonna get my lash, and I'm just gonna apply it not on the waterline, but on my lash line. Oops, hold on. See, this why I didn't use these. This one, like these tweezers, they do too much. But y'all see that? So this is 16. So I'm gonna use another 16. I think I used 3 16s. I don't know. I'm just putting lashes on as I go. I'm not even gonna give y'all accurate count. And just gonna put it right next to each other. Okay. This is why I don't use these tweezers, because I don't know they're fucking retarded. So I'm gonna use my regular tweezer. We're gonna pull this bad boy off because what the entire fuck. And so we're gonna put it back on my eyes with my regular tweezers. Okay, so y'all see it's kind of like spacious or whatever. It really don't matter because we're gonna go back in and we're gonna seal it some more. So when we do the second layer, so we're gonna take it. I'll put another one right there. And so now, so I use 3 16s because I'm gonna go along with how many I use, because baby, auntie can't multitask now. That's something y'all need to learn. Auntie cannot multitask. So now I'm using 15. So I'm gonna use 15 next to the 16. I'm gonna put that right there. Uh-oh. Okay, boom. Okay, so now I just pressed it in there because they like playing with me too much tonight. So now I'm gonna bun some more of my lashes. And y'all, it's so easy to use. Like, it's very easy to use. Like, it's probably gonna take me no more than like 5 minutes to do these sides of my lashes, literally. So just another 15. I'll put it right there. But you see how like it's not on the waterline? Oh, push it up. It's like under my lashes, so it won't irritate my eyes. Okay, so now I'm finna use, so I use 2 15s. Y'all keep it with me? Okay, so the damn lash decided to slide down to my eyes. So I still 15, 14. So I'm using another 14 or whatever. But I'm just looking in the mirror so I can see where I'm placing it. So I use 2 14s. So I use 3 16s, 2 15s, 2 14s, and now I'm using 12. So this is the first 12. Uh-oh. Y'all, it's so easy to use because the glue gets tacky really quick. But so you don't have to worry about if you take too long. It's like soon when you put the lashes on there, it automatically dries. Well, I ain't gonna say it dries, it just keep taking. So I'm gonna put some more bun on the lash. Put it in the corners. And, so I'm gonna use a 10 now. Oh no, I'm gonna use another 12. I'm just using the 12. So I use 2 12s, and now I'm gonna go in with a 10. So this is the first 10. Alright, I don't want to stick. So I'm the girl that doesn't like lashes in the corner because it is so freaking bad. So I'm gonna let this dry. So I'm gonna let this dry or whatever. But this is the first layer. So this is how I look with the first layer or whatever. But you know, we're gonna get this look because I like mine's real thick or whatever. But if you like the, you know, the wet look or whatever, you can leave it like this or whatever. But me, I like mine's a little fuller. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add another layer to it. And then I'm gonna add some, at the end, I'm gonna add a lash at the corner or whatever, because I hate the ball look on the side. Yeah. See how I got over there? But yeah. Ladies, we're gonna have us some lashes. So pretty. Okay, so now I'm going back in with the bun. And we're just gonna repeat the same steps. I use 3/16s, I use 2/15s, I use 2/12s, I use 2/10s. Girl, how the fuck you don't know what the fuck you just put on your eyes? Don't quote me on it now. But I know for sure I use 3/16s, 2/15s, 2/12s, and 2/10s. Or 1/10. I don't know, but whatever fits your corner of your eye, because I don't like that at all. But I'm gonna go back in and do it. I'm gonna just show y'all because I did a little talking. Or whatever. And also, so I want mine to have like a mink look so I can brush them out daily or whatever. So I just put the glue like on the little thing or whatever, and so I just put it on there like that, versus me putting it on the lash and the lash getting hard. Then I'll be like, how the hell I take this out? So yeah, I'll just show y'all what I did. So this is the finishing touches of what I did, you know, real cute or whatever, you know. Don't play. See y'all next time.